Now, answering your questions about the law and legal issues. This is Legal Break with attorney Gary Bruce.
And I'm Maureen Akers. Welcome, Gary.
Good to be here. Thank you.
Yes, absolutely. Today's question, Gary, what should you do if you develop a chronic condition or a long-term disability as a result of a workplace injury in Georgia?
Yeah, there's a lot there.
There is.
And it kind of follows our last show, when we were talking last time about long-term permanent partial disabilities. Like, you're not totally disabled, but partially you are, and how is that dealt with in workers' comp? And really and truly, this is a cop-out answer, but you got to talk to a lawyer about it. I mean, if it happens, every case is completely different on these. And how bad does it impact you? Is it totally life-changing? Is it keeping you from doing any work, or is it a partial impairment that you can still work through? All those things are taken into consideration in Georgia and Alabama, and it just complicates it a lot. It really comes down to what doctors say, how are you impacted and what. So, you'll hear these percentages. I mean, this is hard stuff, okay? But you'll hear a percentage of disability to the body as a whole, and that might be a small percentage. But if you're a baseball player and you have a 1% because of a broken finger, well, that's effectively the end of it, right? So it really all depends on what you do and how that injury relates. Me having a bad knee is not going to affect my ability to be a lawyer very much, So it really is case specific, and it's just something you need to get advice about.
Yeah, absolutely. Wow, that is a lot. So is there a difference, or how does it differ from, say, Social Security disability and those benefits?
Well, that's a good question too. So, you ask the hard ones here, and I'm not going to pretend to know all these answers. Social Security disability is another beast. It's just, it's a process you start with the Social Security Department on your own generally, and when you're denied those benefits, if you are, then that's when you want to get a lawyer involved. That's when most lawyers will say, yeah, now I can help you. You need to be denied first. But those may be completely different than how a workers' comp insurance company looks at your injury. And it may be that you get both, but it may be that one impacts the other. And honestly, I don't know exactly. I can't give you a general answer on that one. I think that's the most honest answer I can give. These are really situations, if they come up, are really serious, you need to talk to a lawyer about. You don't have to hire the lawyer, but you need to know what's going on to protect yourself.
Fantastic. Thank you so much, Gary. We'll see you on the next Legal Break.